Hi guys, so it's tutorials by Becca21 here, and yeah, what's up? So today I'm going to teach you how to make slime. Woo! So you don't need to buy slime. If you guys want slime, you can make it yourself, and you don't need to buy slime. Like yeah. I'm super jock. So I'm gonna teach you how to make this slime, which is the white and slimy-ish slime. Look at it, 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 look at it. So awesome. Have you guys ever have trouble making slime? Well, I do. It takes me like 9 months so that I can learn how to make a good and perfect slime. So today I'm on the rescue to teach you guys how to make slime. Not really, but let's try. So yeah, so without further ado, let's just go ahead into the ingredients you need to make this slime. So the ingredients you need to prepare before making slime and making slime are 2 bowls, a cup of water, 2 spoons, borax, and lastly, glue. So the first step is you prepare a spoon of borax and pour into an empty bowl, like that. And then next you bring your cup of water and pour it inside the bowl. And then start to mix it well. Start to mix the borax and the water well. Mix it until it's diluted. So after you mixed it well, you put it aside. And next, you bring your another bowl and pour the glue, whatever glue you want. It can be white glue, it can be clear glue. You just pour it inside the bowl. Pour it until the amount that you want, the amount of glue that you are satisfied with. So after you pour the glue into the bowl, next take your half cup of water and pour it into the glue with the bowl. It's not all the way you pour it in, it's like slowly, one at a time. Like you pour a bit and then you stir, pour a bit and then you stir. And remember to stir in the big circles, not small circles. That way you can make it spread bigger and make it diluted. And make sure you can feel the consistency. If you feel that it's like more glue, then you add more glue. If you feel that it needs more water, then add more water. Like yeah, you need the slime to be diluted first, then you add borax, even if you know what I mean. So yeah, sorry if you guys don't understand. Keep on watching if you guys still don't get it. So yeah. As you can see, I pour a bit of water and stir it, and then I pour a bit of water and I stir it. Keep on doing this until you feel that your slime is in the right consistency as I said earlier. You should see bubbles if you think you're done. So now it's time for us to add the borax. Borax plus water, borax mixed with water, the solution into the other bowl, which is filled with glue and water. So like just now, pour it in a little bit and stir it. Pour in a little and stir it. Pour in a little and stir it. Just keep on continuing this process until your slime is formed. As you can see, I add a bit more glue because I feel that it's too diluted. Okay, so slime is, if you think the slime is more diluted, and then you must add glue. And if you feel that the glue is sticky, I mean the slime is sticky, then you add more water. And if you think if it's like very sticky, then add borax. So yeah, just add in a little and stir it, and then add the borax in a little and stir it. So just keep on doing this process. So after you stir for like maybe 3 minutes, your slime will form like this. It will become sticky and sticky, and you'll stick it onto your spoon. And don't worry about the mess inside the bowl. As you can see the side there, you just need to like form your slime, and then the slime will stick all of the extra glue, I guess, at the side of the bowl, and it will stick to the slime, so don't worry. So yeah, as you can see, I add borax just now because I feel that it's still sticky. So mix it. And voila! Your slime is done. Woo! So here's a video of the slime that I just teach you guys how to make, and it should turn out like this. Super slimy, super fun to play with, and it also should be super stretchy. Woo! Hope you guys enjoy your slime. So yeah, so that's it for today's slime tutorial, and I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to say. And if you guys understand, do like the button down below. And if you guys make this slime already, like make this slime, you can comment down below and tell me whether you make your slime successful by using my tutorial. So Hope you guys understand what I'm trying to say in the tutorial. And yeah, so that's it for today's slime tutorial. And yeah, so do subscribe for more videos, challenges, tutorials, opening packages, and more random videos. So if you guys are having trouble to find borax or stuff, you can buy from my Instagram store. I'm one of the admins. There's two admins. One is Lilycat Yoboy and one is me. So I'll put the I'll put the Instagram shop in the description box down below, so you guys can check it out. Maybe you can buy borax from me. I sell 5 ringgit per packet, and the packet is 30 grams. So if you guys want to purchase, do WhatsApp us, either of us. So yeah, and if you guys want to buy borax, then yeah, you can just DM or WhatsApp us. So